Hey, what's up guys? It's Brett here at Drift House Survival. I've been working for like the last week or so and I haven't really been making videos or nothing. The last video I posted, I made it and then I posted it like, I don't know, 4 days later or whatever it was. So I haven't really been making videos or making content for you guys. And I just got a call from work that I have to do another 18-day shift. So I'm going to be busy for quite a while, possibly all summer. I do get 4 days off at a time, so I'll use my kayak and I'll go fishing and stuff for you guys still, and I will make more shelters and stuff. But for now, I'm going to focus on work. I'll show you guys a little clip of what I've been up to right now. I decided since I'm busy and I had this 1 day off, I'm going to cut up some firewood with my chainsaw. If it starts for me, I'm not sure if it'll start, honestly. I'll just record the whole process. I'm going to split this wood, chop it up, and get a little video out for you guys because I won't be able to post anything for a while. So that's what I'm going to do now. When you clean your chainsaw, try not to forget about your bar. You gotta clean these grooves. I just run it through once or twice. And as you can see, that side is really dirty. So I'll run it through again. A little bit more. Then you wanna come to the bottom where these holes are, and you wanna push all that gunk out. It'll be stuck in here pretty good. So you want to push all that out so your oil flows clean. Anytime you switch your chain or take off your chain, you just want to flip your bar over. So if it's upright, you just flip it back upside down and then put your chain on the opposite way. So you get even wear. And then it should just pop right back on. And when you tighten it, you're going to want to tighten the back bolt so it holds everything in place and nothing wants to slip out while you're tightening the front. I was going to sharpen my saw, but I don't really have time. I'm just going to run it. This is the sharpening stand I made. You just cut down a little bit, not as wide as the bar. And when you put it here, take off the brake, it can spin freely and it also stays in place. So when, I'll just show you. I put the chain on upside down, but then I put the bar on the right way. So there's another mistake. I gotta take it off. Usually I don't make this many mistakes, but probably because I'm trying to rush and make you guys a video real quick. I'll just go grab the fuel. You always want to make sure you put the oil in the oil tank and the gas in the gas tank. If you do end up putting gas in the oil tank or oil in the gas tank, there's ways to clean it out, so you don't have to worry too much. And try not to overfill it like I just did. Let's have a look at that. It's pouring out. It's gonna pour out even more right now. What's up, bro? Joined my last day off. I was recording my chainsaw here. That same fire from last year.
Just take the zip line down.
I might just do that too. Got it all done. Now I just need to split it up, add it to the split pile. I'll probably do that another day, but for now I'm gonna go drop another tree. Nice, right where I wanted it. I like it. Alright guys, well I think that's it for the day. I got all my wood chopped, I got the couple trees dropped that I needed to, and yeah, there's not much else to do. I got work in the morning, it's getting dark out. I'm sorry it wasn't much of a video honestly, but I'll be back with more videos. I'm waiting for better weather still. The lake's still a little bit frozen, so just give me a couple weeks and I'll get a video out to you guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you guys did, and I'll see you guys next time.